Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how I can play Roblox, install and play Roblox on the iPhone XS. So someone have requested me to do this video for them so they can see what Roblox look like on the iPhone XS. So here we're just going to go to the app stores, sorry, and then I'm just going to search in Roblox and install it. And we just wait for the download and install onto the phone. It's gone quite fast, as you can see right there. Okay, so once it's installed, we can open it. So at the bottom here it says loading, and then we can log in into the account. So I just fill in the username and password to sign in. And from here we can so I can just skip this one, allow grade, and from here you can browse through the games that you want to play. Then here you can play some of the popular games. So choose the game that you want to play. Now you can go down and then look through the games. There's quite a lot of them. Can't click on this one, tap on this one for some reason. It's just taking a while. So now it's loading. And this is what the graphic card look like. So just pull this and confirm. Just close this. Now we can also go in here into the settings and then tap on settings here. And this is the graphic card that you can choose. Menu. In menu you can change the graphic card quality by adjusting the bar here, or you can choose auto. There are some other things that you can do, as you can see right here. Changing the volumes, the camera mode, and then we just go back. So, and then we control this here. So you can see this bar here allows you to control. So using the middle joysticks allows you to run, and then from here you can jump. So when we don't use the joysticks, we can look around. Oops. Or someone's trying to shoot us. So got stuck on the chairs there. So yeah, so that's the Roblox game, playing on it. So try again. It's a bit hard to play on a mobile here. So again, died. So you can just continue to try and play. So just tap on it to shoot. So yep, there you have it. So that's the game there, and that what it looks like playing Roblox on your iPhone XS. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.